Okay, this is a little bit about variables in Scratch. I know that you guys have been having a little bit of trouble understanding what a variable does in your fruit machine program. Variables are really important in programming, so you should understand them from the beginning. Now I'm going to try to demonstrate this as it applies to what you've been doing today. So you had a sprite that was changing its costume over and over again until you told it to stop. And you needed to have a variable that varies according to whether you want it to keep on going or you want it to stop. So, firstly, what is a variable? Well, in a program, a variable is a container that can contain one piece of data. So, in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to call this our container, so this is our variable, and in your program, your variable was called stopped. So we're going to give this container, this variable, a name, stopped. So at the moment, so the first thing you have to do is you have to set this variable so that it contains a piece of data. So this variable is currently empty, it doesn't contain anything, and we need to tell the program at the beginning that we want this to start off moving. So we're going to put in this container the word no. Because this contains no, then your sprite is not going to be stopped because it's no, don't stop. So let's pretend that I'm your sprite. So my job is, if this container contains no, I need to change costume. So at the moment, this is on no. It is the because this is no, I'm keeping on changing costume. I'm just going to keep on changing costume until this container says yes. Now, let's change this so that this actually says yes instead. Because when it says yes, I've got to stop. So we're going to change our container. So I'm still here, this is still saying no. And I can carry on changing costume, and changing costume, and changing costume. And now, because this is the no variable has now changed to yes, I can't do anything anymore. I'm not going to change costume anymore. The minute this changes to no, now I'll keep changing costumes. So that's what a variable does. It just tells a sprite what it's supposed to do.